We've all been there. Flat tires are an inevitable part of the driving experience. It's one of those things that can catch you off guard, no matter how prepared you think you are. Picture this. You're cruising down the road, the sun is shining, your favorite tunes are cranked up, and you're in the zone. Everything feels perfect. And then, bam! Out of nowhere, you hear that unmistakable thud, that dreaded feeling of a flat tire. It's like the universe decided to throw a curveball your way. Your heart sinks and you pull over to assess the damage. Frustrating? Absolutely. There's nothing quite like the feeling of seeing your prized possession sidelined by something as simple as a flat tire. Knowing how to fix a flat tire is an essential skill for any driver. It empowers you to take control of the situation. Now, I'm not talking about calling a tow truck every time you get a puncture. I'm talking about being self-reliant, about having a trusty tire repair kit stashed in your trunk. Think of it as your automotive first aid kit, always ready for action. These kits are compact, easy to use, and can be real lifesavers. They typically come with everything you need to plug a puncture and reinflate your tire. No need for bulky jacks or strenuous tire changes. It's all about getting you back on the road quickly and safely. Before we dive into action, let's get familiar with our tools. Understanding each tool's purpose and how to use it effectively can make a world of difference when you're out on the road and need to perform a quick repair. A typical tire repair kit will have a few key components. Each of these tools plays a crucial role in ensuring that your tire is properly repaired and safe to drive on. A reamer tool. This handy tool helps clean and prepare the puncture hole for the plug. By removing any debris and rough edges, it ensures that the plug can be inserted smoothly and securely. A plug insertion tool. This tool helps insert the sealant plug into the puncture. It's designed to hold the plug firmly and guide it into the hole, making the process quick and efficient. Sealant plugs. These rubbery plugs are coated with a sealant that expands to fill the hole and prevent air leaks. They are essential for creating a tight seal that will hold up under the pressure of driving. CO2 cartridges. These provide the compressed air needed to reinflate your tire. They are compact and easy to use, making them a convenient option for on-the-go repairs. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to identify and remove the object causing your tire to go flat. This is a critical part of car maintenance that every driver should know. Now, let's find that pesky culprit that caused the flat. Begin by thoroughly inspecting the tire. Run your hands gently over the surface, feeling for any irregularities or sharp objects that might be embedded in the tread. This process requires patience and a keen eye. Carefully inspect your tire for any nails, screws, or sharp objects embedded in the tread. These objects can be tricky to spot, so take your time. Look closely at the tread and sidewalls, and don't forget to check the inner side of the tire as well. Sometimes, the object might be small or partially hidden. Once you've located the offender, use the reamer tool from your kit to remove it. The reamer tool is designed to grip and extract these objects efficiently. Insert the tool carefully around the object and twist it to loosen and pull it out. This step might require some effort, especially if the object is deeply embedded. This step is crucial because it clears the path for the sealant plug. A clean hole ensures that the plug can be inserted properly and will hold securely, preventing future leaks. Make sure the hole is free of debris and as smooth as possible. Think of it as prepping the wound before applying a bandage. Just like in medical treatment, proper preparation is key to a successful repair. The reamer tool helps to clean and shape the hole, making it ready for the next step. Just be sure to twist the reamer tool as you insert and remove it to create a clear channel for the plug. This twisting motion helps to smooth out the edges of the hole and ensures that the plug will fit snugly. Take your time with this step to ensure the best possible outcome for your tire repair. By following these steps carefully, you can effectively remove the culprit and prepare your tire for a successful repair. This not only saves you money, but also ensures your safety on the road. Remember, a well-maintained tire is crucial for a smooth and safe driving experience. So take your time, follow the steps, and you'll be back on the road in no time. With the culprit removed, it's time to prep the tire for the sealant plug. Coat the plug insertion tool with the sealant provided in your kit. This helps lubricate the plug and ensures a tight seal. Now here's a little trick. Partially insert the plug into the hole and then quickly pull it back out. This helps distribute the sealant evenly and ensures a secure bond. We're in the home stretch. Attach the valve stem adapter to your tire's valve stem and screw on a CO2 cartridge. The cartridge will rapidly inflate your tire. Once inflated, listen carefully for any hissing sounds, which could indicate a leak. If you hear a leak, Try reinserting the plug or using another plug from your kit. If the tire holds air, you're good to go. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've gained a valuable life skill.